What up, FRANKENTUBERs? Here to show you a little something from Buc-ee's that I absolutely love. Everyone should get this whenever they visit Buc-ee's. It's great on breakfast burritos. I'll show you that. It's called Taco Reaper sauce. Buc-ee's makes it perfect. See that little tab there? It says hot, which means that it's not like fiery hot, so you can definitely take this one. So I recommend whenever you stop at Buc-ee's, you go and get it. It's awesome. So it doesn't take a great lot. If you look on here, ingredients: tomatoes, water, tomato paste, white vinegar, onions, fresh garlic,
kosher salt, canola oil, taco seasoning, chili powder, cumin, dehydrated onions, paprika, Carolina Reapers, pepper powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, spices, oregano. So perfect, I mean it's perfect. Calories, look at that serving size, 1 ounce.
It's going to take that much. So this is my breakfast burrito. I love cheddar, so I put a ton of cheddar on it. But this is how much I like to put on it, because I like my mouth to burn a little whenever I'm eating something nice and warm. So definitely go out, get it. All right. We're not sponsored by Buc-ee's, but we should be. Buc-ee's! Or in the words of Siri, Buc-ee's! Seriously, try it. Australian Siri is the best. Okay? All right. Oh yeah. Taco Reaper, delicious. So kids, very bad habit. Don't talk with your mouth full. It's very, very bad habit. All right. Guys, have a blessed day. Hope you enjoyed this, and eat some Taco Reaper sauce because it's delicious. All right. Peace.